Hold the phone up. We finna do this TikTok. We gotta make content. We just put like, how would I explain this? We got colors and acorns. We gonna make the colors, and we just gotta find them in nature. That's gonna be my video for today. Say hey, Mariah. Okay. Y'all see it. Y'all get it. I already messed up, y'all. I know it's gonna come out like that.
Yeah.
It should be like a pink though.
I hope so. Oh yeah.
It ain't that bad. And then we just paint like around it, so we just know.
Yeah.
That's the color we gotta find. Oh, well, it worked out alright.
Yeah.
That's a nice color. Let me see your corner. I'm finna just use the paint in mine. Just put it in yours.
Okay.
Yeah, this gonna be easy. Ah, yeah, this is my YouTube video, and I'm making a TikTok. Cause I'm posting every day on my YouTube channel and my TikTok. Okay, here we go. We got green, we got a little yellow, a little pink, red, gray, and a purple. We gotta find these colors in nature. Found one color. Found yellow. Is that yellow? The yellow don't even match. That yellow do not match. Never mind, y'all. Oh, we got a rock, y'all.
Oh shit.
Them just do not match. Our color's gonna be off.
Don't we put it in here?
Yeah, and then take a picture.
Did she take one and then take it out, or she kept it in there?
I don't even know. Take a picture of my joint. My phone be acting ugly, y'all.
Go right here.
Rock. Okay, now what's next? Our color's not gonna match.
Nah, that's bad.
We can use one of these.
Oh,
Hey, that's purple.
Oh.
Ooh.
Hold on, this yellow.
Okay.
That worked, right?
Yup. And we got purple.
Right, are these poisonous?
But
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
that can't be poisonous,
I need
man.
to wash my hands. For real, you think?
I don't think that's poisonous.
You sure?
I hope not. We filling the wrong color.
It's okay. It's
Okay.
fixed. There you go.
I don't get that picture. Hold on, put the yellow one in there.
What?
The yellow one gotta be in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, see, I'm glad you remember.
We trying, y'all. I know our colors don't match, but it really, I don't know how they did that. We just trying to get content. Cause boy, this is way difficult than it look. They even had a different type of paint than we had.
Yeah, I don't know what they had.
Then we gotta stir our stuff. I need the
yeah.
flour. Cause boy, fix that leaf. Let's go and find this pink and red so we can be done.
This one?
That ain't even close. We gotta find a different
That's
pink.
close.
We can use that one.
That one? Well, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that one. Oh, we can get that pink over there. Yeah. It's your content, y'all.
Oh.
Hey.
It fell apart.
Hold on, hold it. That's a black man in my picture?
Oh, wow. Ooh.
It look fire, y'all. Look at them colors going together. That pink, that yellow, that gray, that purple, that green. We really didn't do this right. We really stirring our stuff.
Yeah.
We just need a TikTok for today, man.
Literally.
That's what they need to understand. We're trying to be content creators.
Look here, you know, we dedicated.
For real. We get a
Oh.
TikTok every day. Ooh, that was in your hand the whole time.
Dang, yours, the lighting gone.
That's on show. dipped. Got it, y'all.
Look, y'all, we on our last. Oh. Oh. Yeah. We on our last little thing.
I'm so tired.
Me too.
They don't understand. We were just in that room. How long?
For 3.5 hours, y'all, working on an essay. Okay, we need to hurry up and take. Right, I was about to say.
Get on this bus. We can take our pictures over there. Yeah, that ain't gonna go. Okay, y'all. We finna. I'm tired, man. I'm so tired. That's all I gotta say right now.
Yeah.
I'm so tired.
It's been a day. That's for sure.
But we realized we can just use the same corn. It is. I don't even care about that no more. I'm just ready to get this over with. This right here. We're gonna retake these pictures. I'm gonna do a thumbnail.
What's thumbnail?
We just hold it up. We can do the thumbnail. You can do that the way. Bring yours a little closer. You think they can tell like these flowers and rocks and stuff on there? What corn we gonna use? So we gotta do it one at a time. Let's just start over our picture. You know we gotta get the corn first and each individual.
Oh, you want to start it all the way over?
Yeah, so we can have the same view.
Okay.
Cause the view look nice, y'all.
That don't work out. Oh.
So he got a problem with us too. Everybody seem to have a problem with us today. We're gonna use this view, y'all. It's really they just need to peep it in the background. But we can do it like this.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we can do it like that. I'm gonna go and snap my pictures. I'm ashy.
Yeah, look at the view. Yeah. Italy is going down in the books. Ain't that right, Brighton?
Yeah, it's going down on the books. I'm just tired, man. I'm just so tired. I don't understand. The last hour.
Man, you want to tell about the bus situation?
The bus is up for. That's all I want to say. And there was some race stuff, cause he seen us. Okay, you gonna take your pictures?
Huh?
Gonna take your pictures and start over.
I guess. This mine.
And my camera going dead.
Oh. I ain't gonna lie, Brian. Can you just send me one? No, actually. I
Your hand gotta be in it. I'm so tired. Okay.
Wait.
We got around tomorrow though, y'all.
Keep them in there.
Hold on. Red. Hold on. Get that picture.
Wait, should they be far back or closer?
Just take a couple of them and just pick your favorite.
I need to redo the rock.
You want rock?
Yeah, just redo that one. Okay.